Good afternoon and welcome back to another almost daily vlog. What's working on? I just assemble Lord of Pain for my friends and I just want to show you how to paint without Citadel colors. Why I don't use Citadel colors? Citadel colors for me is a lot of expensive and I prefer use another brand. In this case I use Word range color because they have a good coverage and they give a perfect result when you finish your miniatures. Okay, let's start the video. This is my personal opinion, okay? You are free to paint with all range of miniatures, all paint and other stuff. For me, Word is the best brand in the world, okay? It's my personal opinion. You are free to decide to use another brand, my dear follower. Okay, in this case, this is Lord of Pain. This is the booklet. You find the instruction sheet and here how to paint. Okay, in this case for example I use to paint the metal part. You see Iron Warriors, Nuloin and Lead Batcher. Okay, I use sequence dark bronze because I don't have Iron Warriors, but for me it's okay. Anthrax metal. Okay, but the correct sequence is dark bronze, black wash, okay, anthrax metal, and final highlight quicksilver by Word. Okay, how to paint the gold armor? It's very easy. The sequence is Eldorado, Picanton Flash, Tin Metal Grey, and the final highlight Quicksilver. Okay. How to paint the armor? Okay, you just use black primer. In this case I just use Incubi Darkness, but I don't have the same color, but I want to use blue grey dusk with a lot or some part of black primer for create a blackish grey color. Okay. Another step is downstone, but in this case I use dark umber. It's a perfect match color. And final slight gray. Okay, for the skin I use for in this case for Games Workshop is Cadian Flash Stone, Gulliman Flash, Pallid Witch Flash, White Scar. In this case I want to use brown skin, first layer, second layer, Blushing Flash, some wash of Vicious Purple, and the final highlight Nuclear White. Okay? For this part you use Exerus Purple, Druki Violet, Emperor Childer. Okay? In this case I just use Wonka Violet, Vicious Purple, and after some of Lollipop Magenta. I just add some details, skulls, some part of wood and chains. Don't forget, it's my personal opinion how to paint these miniatures. Every people just want to paint own miniatures, and everyone can decide how to paint his personal miniature. For me, Green Stuff World are perfect to paint because this range have a good coverage and cool result when you finish the miniatures. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon for another almost daily vlog. Thank you so much, my friend. See you soon. Bye.